Alright, so today we're working on a '06 Honda Civic Si. When I go to start it, it does this. You keep doing it. Take the key in and out. And eventually it starts. It's been doing this for a while. So went to Advance and picked up an ignition switch. And we're gonna change that out and see if that fixes the problem. Okay, so I disconnected the negative battery terminal. Kill the power to the car. And I have pulled this little cover off. This one right here. It just pulls right off, snaps in. Once you get that off, you get your steering column. This thing right here. It's held on by 3 different bolts, and you will see the positions. 1, 2, 3. You get those out, and now the ignition switch just has 1 Phillips screw right there, so we're gonna get that out. Okay, so I got this off here. There was 1 screw right here in the front, went right there, and then there was another screw up under here. Let's see if I can show you. It's right there. So take that off and put the new one on. All right, so that's the part number for the new ignition switch. Got it right here. Ready to put it back on. The new one is installed, so we're gonna put our new bolts in right here, and then up under here. Let's see if I can show you. It's hard for me to show you, I'm sorry. Let's figure out. Right here. This is the other bolt, so it's under there. It's 2 Phillips. All right, got the 2 bolts in, so now just gonna snap the harness on. Make sure it don't unplug. We gotta go back out here and put our negative back on the terminal. All right, got everything put back together. Let's see what it does. Awesome. Let's try it again. Thank you, Jesus. Thanks for watching.